Welcome everybody. Thank you for joining me today for Garden with Me. I'm Charity. I'm a DSP from Able Arts Work. What is rosemary? Rosemary is an evergreen. It has needle-like leaves. It has either white, pink, or purple, sometimes even blue flowers, and is native to the Mediterranean. Today I'll be showing you how to harvest rosemary. All you'll need is a Tupperware or a plate and some scissors. Comes down to the rosemary, I like to harvest the green parts. And what I mean by that is that the stem will eventually turn brown when it's starting to grow into like a tree, when it's more mature. So I try to harvest the parts that are still green there at the base. So the beauty about rosemary is that it's very versatile. You can use it in tea, you can use it on fish, you can use it on rice, and many other recipes. So it's simple. Cut diagonal in between where you see the brown and the green part meet on the stem. So once you've harvested your rosemary, all you need to do is throw it in your Tupperware and throw it in the refrigerator. You can store it in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks before it starts browning. If you can't get to it that soon, you can always store it on your countertop and allow it to dry out. Then that way you can use it at your leisure by just collecting it off the countertop, or you can put it in a mason jar. Once you put it in a mason jar, you can continue to store it on your counter or put it in your pantry and get to it much later. Just make sure you allow it to thoroughly dry out before you close the jar. Rosemary has many amazing health benefits, so Google it and find out the wonderful benefits it has and different ways that you can use it best for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.